he will sign an executive order on Monday morning to introduce most favored nation pricing model to a lower US prescription drug cost that we are looking at. So this is the other big talking point of the day, that we are seeing that he plans to sign an executive order for lowering this prescription drugs, and these prices would be in the range of 30% and 80%, and added that pharma prices will rise throughout the world in order to bring fairness to America. To talk on how this would impact the Indian pharma space, we have Varsha standing by to break this down for us. Varsha, what does this mean for the Indian pharma sector?
Yeah, thank you for that. So clearly, pharma sector today will be under pressure. Now, this is on the back of Trump, who has announced new executive order to significantly reduce prescription drug prices in US, and he plans to and the potential reduction will be around 30 to 80%. Now, this pricing is based on most favored nation policies principle. Now, what does this mean? That he link US drug costs to lowest prices paid by other countries. Now, this will provide immediate relief from high medication costs and will ensure fairness for American citizens, according to Trump. Now, what will be this? What this will have an impact on? The order would primarily affect drugs administrator in doctor's office, and this will apply to medications covered under Medicare Part B, which includes expensive treatments like cancer medications, which will save trillions of dollars for patients. Now, this was on the opposition side. If you see, this proposal will face strong opposition from drug manufacturers, now, these drug manufacturers previously blocked a similar plan announced by Trump in 2020, and what they argue was it would undermine innovation and could give foreign governments control over US drug costs. Now, just to give an example, US Medicare prices versus peer nation, if you see the drug Equalis, which is a blood clot drug, for US, the cost is around $249. If you see the cost in other nations, that ranges at $45. All the type 2 diabetes drugs, if you see in US, it costs almost $204 versus $35 in other nations. Now, which all stocks will be impacted from this? You have Gland Pharma, you have Aurobindo Pharma, Dr. Reddy's, which has 45 to 50% of exposure to US. You do have Lupin, Glenmark, and Divi's Lab. All these stocks will be impacted in trade today. In fact, all the pharma companies you'll be seeing impacted in trade today.